Anong ganap sa mundo ng showbiz? Nagpalitan ng sweet message sila Sharon Cuneta at Kiko Pangilinan sa kabila ng tsismis ng hiwalayan ng dalawa. Sa Instagram post kasi ni Sharon itong Martes ika-26 ng Disyembre, makikita ang isang art card na may quote tungkol sa loyalty at cheating. I don't want a perfect relationship. I want someone I can trust and who won't be cheating on me physically or emotionally. Everyone needs someone who loves them completely and who won't play games with their heart. Last but not least, I'm a strong believer that when it comes to relationships, remaining faithful is not an option but a priority. Loyalty means the world. Ayon sa art card na pinost ni Sharon. Sa caption naman ay ang sweet message niya kay Kiko. Kiko and I are not perfect. We may be going in different directions, disagreeing about the future, but all these qualities he has. I married a good and honest man. Thank you, neighbor. Love you always and thank you too for being a great dad to our kids. Reply naman ni Kiko kay Sharon. I love you too. Love thy neighbor. Dahil dito, umani tuloy ng samut-saring reaksyon ang pagpapalitan ng I love you ni na Sharon at Kiko. Dito ay nawala na ang alinlangan ng mga fans na maghihiwalay ang dalawa. Nag-post din pala ng putol na ulo si Sharon. Para quits na daw sila ni Kiko. Kung nagustuhan mo ang content na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-click ang share, like, at mag-comment ng inyong opinyon. And favor naman po, please don't skip the ads.